I'm Sonja Parkinson. I am actually from Austria in Europe, but I live in Kenya for many years. And as I said before, we were totally advised straight away, even by British doctors, even by friends who are doctors, to come straight here to India, to Hyderabad, because of this type of cancer. About a month ago, I went to the dentist for a regular checkup and a filling, where it was discovered that I had a tiny mass growing in my gums. Once it was verified that it was malignant cancer, I was then advised straight away to come to Hyderabad, to the Apollo Health City, for the surgery on my mouth, because it is known that it's one of the best surgeries for this type of cancer in the world. Literally 6 days later, we arrived in Hyderabad. We were picked up at the airport by a young man and brought to our guest house in Bhandari Hills. And on the following Monday had our first appointment with Dr. Bhandari, some other doctors. From the start, he took one look at my mouth and assured me that he could deal with it. And for me, that was the most amazing thing. I trusted him totally instantly because of his professionalism and his confidence. And so every day we came to the hospital and had various tests done, and then the operation happened on the Saturday morning. The care was amazing. From what I gathered, the operation was a success. I was put back into my ward, into my room. The nurses were absolutely fantastic. I cannot stress this more. The whole hospital experience has been amazing. I had checkups every day, and the procedure, from what I understand, they had to create a new gum by taking muscle and skin from my neck, and with a plastic surgeon recreated a complete new bottom of my mouth, which is amazing. And I am now here 9 days later, and I can speak. You can see me speaking. I have never had any pain. My swelling has gone down just incredible. And the most important thing is, as you can see, I have no bruising anywhere, because we all expected me to look like a butcher had been at me, you know. So once again, I think the techniques that were used to recreate my face was just amazing. And so I'm healing so well, and I'm doing so well, and I think it's totally thanks to the care of this amazing hospital here. And I can only, if it helps anybody who looks at this video, to reassure what is possible to be done here with the expertise quality of the doctors and nurses here. I was in hospital for 4 days, and because of my healing process was so good, I was allowed to go home and spend another week in outpatient care, being very careful because it's very humid and hot here, and have just been back for my near last checkup before I leave this country to go back to Kenya, and everything seems to be okay. All the stitches have come off, never had any problems. And as I said before, it is just amazing care and attention of the staff here in this hospital. I got to know him from the first meeting we had that Tuesday. And as I said, I had confidence in him totally instantly because of his professionalism and his confidence towards me, and made me feel never afraid, never doubting that this was not going to be okay. And I think if a doctor can do that and give that to patients, half the battle is won. Dr. Bhandari came last Thursday and checked me over, and the nurse removed my drain, which I thought was going to make me scream or anything, but it just didn't hurt. Nothing has ever hurt here. And he did it with utmost professional behavior of a doctor of his kind.